how did you link with Bogle?
Bogle now is a brother way. He's a dancer where him just rate me. And I never know him rate me till 1997. We can reverse back. Because a Bogle really tell me to sing Rude Boy a Pelpa Man and a helper.
Okay.
Bogle, may your soul rest in peace, Mr. Wacky. I go check Bogle on Rose's Corner and him say, DELLY ranking. Make a song named Rude Boy a Pelpa Man and a helper and it have it. And I say, no, say another word, brother, I'm going to deal with it. And him tell me that tonight I make the song. And General Degree see me after I make the song and say, DELLY, you're one bad artist. And I say, why you say that? Him say, oh, you do the verse, you do it unorthodox. It's bad. Because all my DJ, man appel, be girls, good girls, we talk to what you don't know, say man no deal with Scatel. The man said the floor sick. Yeah, man.
Advance those times here. Wow. So okay, so he told you to do Pelpa in 97.
Let's do a song named Pelpa Man and the Elpan. With a Shelly.
All right. So then how did you guys start to record together? I think you guys have 2 or 3 songs together.
2 songs.
Okay, so one is you, Bogle, and Voicemail. The next one is you, Bogle, Voicemail, and Ding Dong.
Yeah, Ready to Party and Wedding Time.
How did those songs happen?
Yo, Jalo Star. All right. Bam. Come here for carry 2001, you know.
Okay.
Because you gone at 2004, you go, you know.
Okay.
So I carry 2001.
All right.
So 2001, them time there, me I work with Free Willy, Arthur Wheel.
Yes.
Seeing, because Shabba Ranx advice to tune for him there more and more. And all of that, and him never know what to do. I'm tell him what to do and show him what to do and make him get there. So I build him Suda down Olympic Way. Big up the Olympic Way crew because them people, there are some good people who support music. We're there helping out, doing the studio work, being behind the boards. I do the thing. Me and Mega Band and the Pandakana 2001.
It was 2000. I don't know why I thought it was later on. I thought it was more like 3, 4.
No, man, 2001. While hanging out at the Free Willy studio, John come with a rhythm.
G-string rhythm.
G-string. I'm say to Mega Band. We always there on the corner. Like we build a song about Pandakana. Go over this, go write your part. Me and write my part, yes. And when we combine the 2 part them together, it just connect.
Listen, I spoke to Mega last week. Did a podcast with him last week, and I told him Pandakana is one of my favorite songs, period. I'm talking about period. Just the flow on the rhythm, it was so crazy. The double timing on the slow type of rhythm, I said crazy.
And at that time, they know Mega Bantan put on the crown for me and said DELLY ranks are really, really bad. Because most people don't know. Mega Bantan are one of the baddest DJ.
Flow-wise, sick.
And the thing about it, bro, I'm just 1 day older than Mega.
Okay.
So we're similar in some ways where we're just humble. We're not try to force up or push up. You know, at that time, when we do Pandakana and Laws of a Gangster and all of them songs there, you know, we did there, I do the thing, and I invited Steely to Arthur Wheel Studio. I told Steely to come over there and introduce Steely to Arthur Wheel, and the vibe start build. Because I say, Arthur Wheel, if you're going to do this thing, you have to have top people and make rhythm for you and the top things. And we did it from 2001, 2002. 2003, I step off. Because we did it, I put in the work at the time, but I start get treated less than an artist.
So this is the same scenario you went through 2-3 times.
No, that's a got you. But I get, because me have I spun the rhythm them and sometimes I sang them now come out. If it come out late. So like I'm under that same brother, I be an engineer than an artist. And I know so I'm an artist first. So I step off. Cause one thing with me not do confrontation and them things then. If you do something I not like, sometimes I don't even talk about it. But you're supposed, from you see me step off, you're supposed to know there's something wrong. Mm-hmm. And that day, I step off in 2003. And when I step off, I go up a big yard studio, I see Tony Kelly up there. Mm-hmm. See it? I go see Tony Kelly up there, brother. And Tony Kelly, I work on a rhythm name, Grinding. See it? Mm-hmm. And voicemail them now. My youth, them used to sing my harmony for me. When I do my studio work, them I pay them for come sing harmony for me. Them time there are 5 of them a spar.
So original voicemail had 5 members in it.
Yeah. 5 of them a spar. Them used to come sing harmony for me for my production them. Like Beanie Man pan any series them a voicemail I sing the harmony. Girl, you know salt and you will never kill no man. A voicemail I carry the harmony. But most of them things because I always work good with singers. So one time I go to Rafa and go big yard now and see Tony Kelly and Tony Kelly I play the rhythm. I'm going to find my idea upon it. I'm going to say, same time voicemail step through the gate. I'm going to say, yo, see my group here. Tony, yo, say, I'm going to say, yo, who now come sing this? Come and tell them what to sing. Because one thing with me, brother, I'm not toot my own hand, but I'm a great team player. And if I tell you, say, are you? I'm going to tell them and sing, she says she wants it harder every day. A man to blaze her fire, not to play. Me book a girl from Samakan, and me lend her the Ramakan. All night long she said Delly she need, and I done a van. A matter of fact, no other man, not no could no better than me. See? And the first song that me do with voicemail, see? Produced by Tony Kelly. And we do other songs for Tony Kelly and thing, but we are all a vibe. Cause voicemail a boss it, but me tell Craig say them a go boss. Because after a while now it becomes the 3 of them now, Kevin, O'Neal, may your soul rest in peace, and Craig. O'Neal is gone a foreign. Craig, I all a vibe with him because I tell him, say, yo, you sound like Lou Kitty without a lisp. So you go work. I like your sound. See? So me used to go for Craig every day and go make songs with him. You see me? And Danny Champagne, I never know so them and Danny Champagne link up. Me and Danny Soul rest in peace too. See? So much rest in peace from where DJ. We have the history. See?
We're gonna talk about that down because this is like 10 times you said this, but we're gonna talk about that.
See? And Danny Champagne, I never know so Danny Champagne and them link, and Tony Kelly and Danny Champagne link. So it was one family link. So Danny's have him studio up I build him studio up in the yard. And Tony Kelly met this rhythm theme. And when we link with Danny now, I'm going to go up at Danny yard one day and we did it. I said, we'll make a song. And we'll put Bogle in it. One Bogle in it. I will say, come Danny. Only come, we're going to Roses go check Bogle. We're going to Roses go check Bogle. I said, we'll make a song. And we'll make the Jiggy Time song.
That was his first time recording a song?
No, him do a song with Bling Dog before called Zip It Up.
Yes, and then after all of this was when he did All Them There.
Yeah, after we record the song then. Cause becomes hot now as a star now, not only dancer, him a star now a sing. You see me? And we did that song with Bogle and it becomes a anthem, a classic, you know. You know, may your big Bogle soul rest in peace. O'Neal, may your soul rest in peace. You know, you do your work before you pass off. You know, and forever the music shall live. Yeah, and we have Ding Dong a dance in a Jiggy Time video. Bada dance, Ding Dong a dance at them time there. Ding Dong never know say him a go be no artist. Ding Dong now start link with we. And if Ding Dong for talk the truth, when them a come to us DJ, I show him how to do it. You see me? And then we go to buff and make the ready to party song. Ladies, if you're ready to party, show you once, let me know. Hey, hey, And if you're feeling naughty, just come on, girl, and rock with the flow. Big. And then Voicemail Boss, and from Jiggy Time Voicemail Boss, and the song they just come explode, and then them step off and go do songs with Dan and all kind of music and do them thing and go do film thing.
So that was the song that bust Voicemail.
Yeah, Ready to Party and Jiggy Time.
Crazy. And what's even crazier, when you look back, you had the Dancing King and the Dancing Prince in a song together, and they weren't really recording artists per se at that time. These are dancing. I
want to tell you, say the Ready to Party song, I splice Bogle voice in it from the previous song when they do. We just put something in there. Because Bogle is a man full of style, so we just take that and put in the Daddy Champagne, you know? And it just work. And it becomes classic.
Mm-hmm. Those times, you know, it was hot those times there too, Pasa Pasa. So it's like that song was either made for Pasa Pasa, or that song just took it to another level because Pasa Pasa was going on at that time there.
Yeah, man. And the thing about it is, you know, the youth them just bust on, them carry on and go left me. You see me? And then I go say rough and say, life, I do my part already. As me tell you, me no cuss, me no fight, me no fuss. Me just say, so life go, I'ma go on.